Welcome to this lecture on anchors, regex tokens that do not match any character. They match at certain positions. For example, the beginning of a string or a line, or the end of a string or a line. Dollar, backslash a, and backslash z are anchor tokens in regex. Character at the start of the string and in multi-line mode also matches immediately after each new line. Backslash a, which matches only at the start of the string. Which matches at the end of the string and at the end of each line. After we have the backslash z anchor, which matches only at the end of the string. Understand the anchors through the following examples. Want to match the pattern cat in the texts category and concat, it will match cat in both the texts because cat is present in both of them. If you want to match the pattern caret cat or backslash a cat in the text category, it will match it because the text starts with cat. But to match the same pattern in the text concat, it will not match it because the pattern does not start with cat. Discuss another pattern. To match the pattern cat dollar or cat backslash z in the text category, it will not match it because the pattern does not end with cat. Match the same pattern in the text concat, it will match it because the text ends with cat. Explore these concepts in Jupyter Notebook.
Let's create a variable str1 and assign it the string category. If you want to check whether the string starts with cat or not, you can take the help of caret or backslash a anchor. First write the pattern. Write pattern equals. The pattern will begin with the caret anchor followed by cat. Use the search function. Write re.search and within parenthesis pattern comma str1. This cell, see that you have got the matched object cat and its span is 0, 3. Let's discuss another example. Let's create a variable str2 and assign it the string concat. Here if you want to check whether the string ends with cat or not, you can take the help of dollar or backslash z anchor. Let's write the pattern. Write pattern equals cat followed by dollar anchor. Now use the search function. Write re.search and within parenthesis pattern comma str2. Run this cell. See that you have got the matched object cat and its span is 3, 6. Let's discuss another example. Let's write 3 strings. Nice place. The next string is nice place, nice place. And the last string is this is a nice place. Now let's make this line a comment. Suppose you want to write a pattern that matches nice place only in the first string but not in others. Let's try it. Here we will take the help of functions. Write def followed by the function name, let it be evaluate underscore match. And within the parenthesis write text. Here text is the string where the pattern will be matched. Now let's write the pattern. Write pattern equals. The pattern should start with the caret anchor followed by nice place and should end with the dollar anchor. Let's create a variable x and assign it the search function. Write re.search and within parenthesis pattern comma text. Now use the conditional statement if x followed by colon print match found. Else print match not found. Now let's call our function evaluate underscore match. Let's evaluate our first string, nice place. Run this cell. Now let's evaluate our next text. This is a nice place. Run this cell. See that match not found has been displayed. This is because though the string ends with place, but it does not start with nice. Let's evaluate our last string. Let's call our function evaluate underscore match. And let's evaluate nice place, nice place. Run this cell again. See that again match not found has been displayed.